Hello students, we have done one question in which we had to prepare amended cash book, and this is the another one. So in this also we have to prepare the amended or the adjusted cash book, and then we have to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. The following information relate to the business of Mohit Raina, who requests you to prepare his amended cash book and reconcile his cash book balance with his passbook balance. Balance as per cash book: credit 40,000, unpresented check, uncredited check. The amount is given 72,000, 13,000. You have been given the following additional information. The debit side of the bank column cash book has been undercasted by 25,000. A check for 10,000 paid to a creditor has been wrongly entered in cash column. Bank commission and other charges rupees 4,000 have not been recorded in cash book. So here first I have made the format here: adjusted or amended cash book, bank column only. It looks like a simple ledger: particular date, particular GF amount, date, particular GF amount. Now what we have to remember that in amended cash book, anything which is there in the passbook, recorded in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book, or it is recorded in the passbook but it is wrongly recorded in the cash book, okay, that will come in amended cash book, bank column only. But anything which is recorded in the cash book but not recorded in the passbook will not come in amended. Like this one, unpresented check. We have issued the check from the cash book, but we have still not given to the bank for presenting. It is not been presented for issuing. Uncredited check, we have deposited the check in our cash book, but still it is not in the passbook, so this will not come. Okay, now here it says balance as per cash book credit. We know that the credit cash book is what? Overdraft. And overdraft, it always comes on the buy side. We have learned when we prepare the cash book in previous term that whenever we have overdraft, we start from the buy side. So we'll write here balance BD 40,000. Okay, next, the debit side of the cash book bank column has been undercasted by 25,000. okay, so the debit side, the receipt side is undercasted, so we have received less money. In the passbook we have received money. Okay, so simply we'll write down the amount which is undercasted. So we'll write here debit side undercasted, and the amount is 25,000. So we'll write here 25,000. okay, next we have a check for 10,000 paid to creditor has been wrongly entered in cash column. So we have paid to a creditor a check, and this already went into the bank for payment, and from the bank passbook it is paid, but you have entered in the cash column. Okay, so we have to correct this. So when we pay, it goes on this side is the payment. So we'll write here who is the receiver, to whom are we giving the check? Creditor. So creditor becoming the receiver of the check. So creditor account, we'll write here on the buy side, and we'll write down check issued not recorded. Okay, so this is only bank column. So now what we had not recorded the check payment in our bank column, we have credited, we have recorded here, okay, in the payment side. Now bank commission and other charges 4,000 have not been recorded in cash book. So from the passbook we give some commission and charges to maybe to our manager or to someone. So in the passbook the amount has been deducted, but cash book still no payment has been done. So payment is from this side. So we'll write here commission and bank charges, and the amount is 4,000. Okay, so we're done with this. Now we'll balance. This side we can see it is more, so the balance will come this side. So 54,000 will write on this side, and the same amount 54,000 will write this side. So the balance is coming on this side. So after minusing this and this, we will get 29,000. Okay. So here we have this becomes our closing balance CD. Now this balance CD will become the balance BD, that is opening balance for our bank reconciliation statement. Balance BD 29,000. Now this is coming on the credit. Now never take this. If you take this, you will read as debit balance as per the cash book. That will be wrong. So this will come as opening, and take this credit balance as per amended cash book. Okay, so let us write here credit balance as per amended cash book. Okay, we know whenever there is a credit balance in the cash book, it is overdraft, and that will come on the minus side. So in the amended cash book, we don't write this one. We first make the amended cash book, and whatever is coming as balance, that we write down. So we have got 29,000 in our balance. So we'll write down 29,000 on the minus side, because this is credit balance as per amended cash book. Now unpresented checks 72,000. Now we're starting with the cash book. Unpresented check means unissued check. So from the cash book, 72,000 has gone down because we have issued, but the passbook is still up. So we have to move the cash book to match with the passbook. So it will go up, and we'll write here add unpresented checks 72,000. Then uncredited check. So we have deposited the checks for 13,000, and our cash book has gone up, but our passbook is still less. Since we're starting with the cash book, we have to match with the passbook, so we'll have to bring it down. So we'll write here less uncredited checks, and we'll write on the minus side 13,000. Now we are done with this. So on this side we have 72,000, and this side we have 72,000 and on this side we have 42,000. So the balance will come on this side. So 72 minus 42 will be 30,000. Okay. So here we got our balance. So what are you going to write down in this is, so this side 72,000 and this side also 72,000, and we'll close with double line. And so now this will also become as a credit balance as per passbook. How it will become credit balance as per passbook? It is simple funda. Okay, we had on the plus side, okay, 72,000 was the on the plus side, okay, and 42,000 was on the minus side. So when we compare, which side is more? Plus side is more, even though the amount is coming this side. Since the plus side is more, we know that when there is money, so we have 30,000 extra. So we know that when we have money in the passbook, it is always credit. So we'll write down here credit balance as per passbook. Okay, so here if you see here, started with credit and also ended with credit. Why? Because the balance is coming on the same side. And what is the simple method to remember what will come, credit or debit balance at the end? The simple method to remember is that the plus side is more and the minus side is less, and therefore we have 30,000 more money in the passbook. So naturally when we have money, it will be credit balance as per passbook. Okay, please go through this question and have a good day.